In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your address on Google Adsense. Whether you're new to Adsense or need to update your existing information due to a move or any other reason, it's crucial to ensure your details are accurate and up to date. Google Adsense is a fantastic way for website owners to earn revenue from their online content, and having your correct address on file is essential for receiving payments smoothly. Let's begin by heading over to the Google Adsense website. You can find it by searching for Google Adsense Earn Website Monetization, or by directly typing adsense.google.com/start into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage of Google Adsense, a place where publishers can sign in or start their journey. Next, you will need to sign into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button and click on it. This action will redirect you to the Google Sign In page. Here, you'll enter the email associated with your Adsense account. Make sure to input your email carefully to avoid any typos. After you've entered your email, you'll be prompted to input your password. Type it in with care, remembering that passwords are case sensitive. If you've entered both your email and password correctly, you'll successfully access your Google Adsense account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the home page of your Adsense account. You might automatically land there, but if not, you can usually find a home button or icon to click on. This homepage is essentially your Adsense dashboard where you can manage your account, view your earnings, and modify your settings. Now let's move on to updating your address. Look for the Payments section. This can often be found in the menu or dashboard of your account homepage. Clicking on Payments will take you to the area of Adsense where all financial transactions are managed. Within the Payments section, you should see an option that says Payments Info. Select this to access and review your current payment information. Here you'll find details such as your payment history, settings, and the all-important address field. To proceed with updating your address, look for a button or link that says Manage Settings. This area is where you can edit various aspects of your payment settings, including your payment method and address. Click on Manage Settings to move forward, then navigate to the section labelled Address. This is likely within the Manage Settings area, and you may need to scroll down or look around a bit to find it. Once you've located the Address section, you'll either see your current address listed or a prompt to add an address if none is on file. To edit or enter your address, click on the section. You should now have the ability to type or amend your address details. It's incredibly important to ensure you enter this information accurately. Google uses this address to send you PIN codes for verification and for mailing any necessary documents or payments, depending on your selected payment method. When entering your address, follow these tips to ensure accuracy. Input your address exactly as it appears on your official documents or mail. This includes your full name, street address, city, state, and zip code. Avoid using abbreviations unless they are part of your official address. For instance, instead of writing Saint for street, spell it out fully unless state is what appears on your mail. Double check every detail for typos or errors. Even small mistakes can lead to delays in receiving payments or important information from Google. After you've input your address, review it once more to confirm its accuracy. When you're confident everything is correct, look for a save option. This might be labelled as Save, Confirm, Update, or something similar. Click this to apply the changes to your account. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your address in Google Adsense. By ensuring this information is accurate, you've taken an essential step in managing your Adsense account effectively. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your account information, not just your address, current, to avoid any disruptions to your service. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Whether you're optimizing your website's revenue potential or ensuring smooth operations, keeping your Google Adsense account updated is key. See you in the next video for more tips and tutorials.